Welcome to Foxtecc. Today I'll share some tips on how to capture live music with your iPhone. Recording at a concert or live music event can be tricky, especially with the loud sound levels and dynamic lighting. Before anything else, remember to check the venue's recording guidelines, as some places have restrictions on video recording. Always follow the rules to ensure you have a smooth experience without interruptions. When you're ready to record, start by setting up your iPhone to get the best video quality. Using a tripod or a stabilizer is a great idea, as it keeps your iPhone steady and reduces any unwanted shakiness. Open the camera app and select video mode, and if you're recording in a low light setting, you can try night mode if your iPhone model supports it. This feature helps capture better details in darker environments, which can be especially helpful at concerts. To improve video quality further, go to your settings and adjust the resolution. Head to Settings, then Camera, and select Record Video. If you have the storage space, choose a higher resolution like 4K to capture more detail. Just keep in mind that higher quality videos take up more storage. So make sure you have enough space available. For audio, which is critical in a music setting, you'll want to avoid distortion from the loud sounds. One simple trick is to lightly cover the microphone with your hand to reduce some of the harshness. You can also adjust the iPhone's microphone sensitivity, or better yet, use an external microphone to capture clearer sound. Many external mics are designed to handle high sound levels, making them ideal for concerts. Next, use exposure lock to keep the lighting steady during the recording. Just tap and hold on the screen in the camera app, and the exposure will lock, preventing brightness changes every time the stage lights shift. This will help keep your video from looking too washed out or too dark as the lights change. Finally, avoid zooming in too much, as it can reduce video quality. If you want a closer shot, try moving physically closer if you can do so without disturbing others. For even more control, you might consider using a third-party app like Filmic Pro, which allows more detailed adjustments for video and audio settings. Once you've captured the video, you can use an editing app like iMovie or Adobe Premiere Rush to fine-tune both the audio and video quality. These apps can help enhance your final result and make it as clear as possible. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you capture live music on your iPhone, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone tips. See you later.